Python Pandas. Check if string in one column is contained in string of another column in the same row. I have a data frame like this, and want to create another column, C, out of A and B such that for the same row, if the string in column A is contained in the string of column B, then C equals true, and if not, then C equals false. The example output I am looking for is this. Is there a way to do this in Pandas quickly and without using a loop? Thanks.
You need apply within. Another solution with list comprehension is faster, but there has to be no na and s.
I could not get either answer at Jezreel provided to handle nuns in the first column. A slight alteration to the list comprehension is able to handle it.
If you are comparing string to string and getting the type error, you can code this like that.